Hey, man, we got a club car here, but we have any golf cart. Have you ever went out there and it's time to do the maintenance again on the yard, on the batteries, and you're like, man, I got to water the batteries again? Well, let me show you this here. This is the #1 tool or anything I recommend for the BFS system, what it's called. It's called a battery filling system. All right. I recommend this to anybody if you have regular lead acid batteries because it saves you the headache and the wear and tear of your battery tray and your asphalt at your house or your concrete at your house. If you look at the batteries, they have this little cap here. All right. If you look at it, it's just like a line that plugs into it. Now, if you look at if you take it off, I'll show it to you. If you look at it, it has a little float here almost. See there? It floats up. And what happens is when the water gets to a certain level low, it drops down so low that it turns white. And when it floats up, it goes up like that. Excuse me. When it goes down far enough, it turns it white where you know you need to add water. So instead of you having to go out there with a cup of water and then you accidentally put too much in it and you bowl it out and you corrode your wires off, go online. This is not a paid sponsor. I'm just passing y'all tips you need to know if you have regular lead acid batteries. Now, they're about $100 to $200, but it's well worth the wear and tear and the headache of you having to go out there and take your time watering batteries. Now, it goes from battery to battery, and what you do is you take the tool, where's that, Jay? And you hook it to, inside of here, you'll have an adapter. And this goes to every battery, and what it does, it puts water in the line like this. It puts water in the line, and one thing good about it is it fills the battery up, and it holds water in the line to fill it up. So what you do here is you open this up like this.
There you go.
Yeah, open up. And this kind here is actually a pump kind. They have some that hook to your water hose, and you just do your water hose. But this right here, all you do is you plug it in like this. Just pop it in. All right, hold the phone. So what you do, you guys look down. Yeah. What you do is take it, just plug it in like that. And then you take this here and you set it into a jar or wherever, whatever, your distilled gallon of water, and you put it in there and you pump it like this, and it pumps water up. Whenever you see it stop taking water in the line, you know your batteries are full. And then to get it off, you just take it, push it down, release. Put the cap back on, and then you tuck it away so corrosion don't get on it and mess it up. But tell me how cool is that, man? Like I said, not a paid sponsor. All I ask in return from these tips, go to my channel, watch my next videos, or comment below and tell me how you do to maintain your batteries, or what tool do you use to add water to your batteries. Because trust me, there's nothing easier than this. All right, the older I get, the less maintenance I want. All right, man, and this goes for any lead acid battery, Trojan, US, any type of battery, any type of cart. All you have to do is when you buy if you buy it, specify what type of battery you have, and they will send you the kit according to what batteries you have. But all right, man, stay tuned, man. I'll post some more all the time. Watch my next video, man. You'll like it.